Let's get straight into it. This is 24.3, last workout at CrossFit Open for 2024. So let's start with the thrusters. All right, so when you do your thrusters, all what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down and squat and then push it up with your legs, all right? You do not wanna use your arms, all right? You're gonna tire your arms out, so I got it from the side view. Just push with your legs. You want your legs to do most of the work. As you can see, boom, all right? What I see is what people worry about is whether they should do fingertips or full palms. All right, it does not matter. Make sure that the barbell's in the front right position. As you can see, I'm gonna do a 360 just to show you that it is not going to fall. See, it is not going to fall. All right, don't worry about the weight is just for demonstration purposes. All right, so your hands and your fingers is just there just to hold the bar in place, but it's really your front rack is where it's supposed to rest. All right, now, moving on, this is the correct way to do a thruster, all right? You want to push with your legs, and then your arms are just there just to extend at the last quarter of the way, all right? So you want to wait until the barbell touches your shoulders and then go down. All right, do not rush this process. All right, moving on to the pro tips. Don't forget, tape your thumbs, tape your thumbs, tape your thumbs. If the barbell is below the knees, always use thumb grip. Okay, and obviously don't forget your grips to protect your hands from the bar. Pro tip number 2, you want to do squat cleans for the thrusters, okay? So this is more efficient and this is better, all right? You do not want to do a full clean and then start doing your thrusters. That's wasting time. As you can see, squat clean and then go right into the thruster. That would be number 1, and then keep continuing, all right? Even though this is a 15-minute workout, time cap, you do not want to waste time on thrusters. All right. Now, as you can see, for the gloves, if your gloves have holes like mine, do not put your fingers through the holes because that would be just bad on your fingers. So for chest to bar, just do a kipping. You'll be okay. This is not strict. For muscle ups, remember, bring the bar to your hips, not your hips to the bar. I say again, bring the bar to your hips, not the hips to the bar. That way, when you bring your bar to the hips, just pull over. As you can see, bar to the hips, pull over. Come down, and now you got it. Now, let's do a full demo. Let's put all these tips that I told you. I will do 2 reps just for sample size. So start off with squat clean on thruster. Let's start. 1, 2. Now we're going to finish. Boom. Now go right into the chest to bar. Turn around. Like I said, this is all for demo and simple purposes. Kipping pull-ups, there you go. Boom, all right. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Worry about technique. You do not want to have any missed reps. You got 5 rounds. Come back into the thruster. Boom, squat clean. See, you go right into it. That's 1. That's 2. There you go. Boom. Now it's time for muscle ups. Remember, bar to the hips. Bring your hips to the bar. That is faster, that is better, that's more efficient, and then all you gotta do is just turn over. All right, I hope this helped, guys. Leave your scores in the comments, or if you have any questions about it before you do 24.3, let me know in the comment section, and good luck, guys. See you later.